I'm sure mga sisig purists will be revolting against this version. Pero chill lang guys, kasi mga Hapon hindi naman nagreklamo sa baked sushi because sushi isn't supposed to be baked in the first place. So gagawin natin ngayon ay baked sisig rice.
Simpol, luto na,
So sisimulan natin, meron ako ditong 9x9 inch na aluminum pan and it's lined with a piece of banana leaf. And meron tayong rice. So, ito dito, dapat sushi rice yung gamitin mo. Or kung wala kang sushi rice, yung gawin mo regular rice, but dagdagan mo ng konting malagkit. So, siguro sa every cup of rice mo na regular, lalagyan mo ng mga 3 tablespoons of malagkit and you will have very nice rice for you. So, sisimulan natin yung rice natin. Meron akong sugar dito, around 2 tablespoons of sugar. And lalagyan ko siya ng 2 tablespoons din ng Datu Puti suka. Yan. Combine ko lang siya. So, this will dress our rice, no? Para may lasa yung rice natin. And to make it more Pinoy and to make it sisig, no? To complement the sisig, lalagyan ko siya ng 1 tablespoon of calamansi juice. Yan. And pag sinabi mong sisig, kasi ang ibig sabihin ng sisig, hindi naman yung ibig sabihin tinadtad, which other people think. It actually means pinaasiman. Kaya it's very important to have that acidity in your sisig. And I just mix a rice. So I'm having here around 3 cups of rice. Yan, it's well combined. Titikman ko lang ng konti. Nice acidity and yung citrusy ng calamansi nandyan na rin. So it's going to complement our sisig very well. We transfer it to our pan. Then be sure to spread it around evenly. Press it down. So now our rice is ready. Tingnan natin, oh. It's firmly, flattened into our pan. Now we'll start on our topping. So very exciting to. Ito, we have ready-made sisig. So ginawa ko na yung sisig just like the way you make your regular sisig. So gamit ko dito yung mascara ng baboy. Yan. And what do? I add my ricados. No? So I have white onion, half a cup of white onion, and half a cup of red onion. So, it's a combination. Then, meron din ako ditong minced na siling pangsigang. So, be sure we have enough sisig to cover the top. And, here is the controversial part of our recipe. We have 1 cup of mayonnaise. Yan. So, yung mga ayaw ng may mayonnaise sa kanilang sisig, pikit-pikit muna kayo ng konti, ha. I know how to do the authentic sisig, pero eto. Let's just try this and let's see how it goes. And I season it with a little bit of calamansi juice. Dapat medyo maasim talaga siya. And soy sauce or liquid seasoning para ma-capture talaga yung ating sisig flavor. Yan. Yan, combine. Once it's combined, look at that. Once it's combined, we'll put it over our rice. So, dilipat ko yung rice ko dito. And I'll just put my sisig over. Look at that. Sobrang easy, guys. Sobrang easy to do. And we just even it out. And we're ready to bake. So, we're going to bake in a preheated oven. 200 degrees. I want the browning on top for around 10 to 15 minutes. So after 15 minutes, gawa na yung ating sisig rice. Tignan natin. Sisig na sisig yung amoy. It's so beautiful. Look at that. And to finish it off, ito siya. And to serve, to make it more Pinoy, we're using dahon ng mustasa instead of nori. And look at that. Sobrang ganda ng ating baked sisig rice. Titikman natin. Excited na ako. Bahala kayo dyan. I'm sure gagawin nyo ito sa bahay. Wow, look at that. And guys, tikman nyo guys. Try this at home. Do it this weekend. Baked sisig rice, simple! Nagustuhan niyo ba ang video na to? Please share para lalong dumaming ating mga ka-simple. And don't forget to subscribe to our Facebook, YouTube, and Instagram accounts.